Hello all, my name is Sahil and I will be presenting on personal hygiene. The content I will be including in this will be hygiene and elements, personal hygiene definition, care of hair, skin and face and teeth, and what are the importance of the hygiene to our body, and what are the FDNM sources, and at last they will be referencing. So let's get started. Hygiene. Hygiene comes from the Greek word hygies, which means goodness of health, healthy and sound clear. So there are two elements of hygiene. One is personal hygiene and one is environmental hygiene. So I will be talking about personal hygiene definition. Personal hygiene refers to the maintaining cleanliness of our body and grooming of our whole body, by which we will maintain our body to a good health. And failure of keeping clean of our body led to many implications or can lead to various infections and illness to our body. Moving forward, what is personal hygiene? Taking care of our whole body, which include washing of our hands, face, hairs, skin, teeth are the personal hygiene. Moving forward to the first one is hair. Hair is made up of dead cells. These are important to our body because these bring oil to the surface of our body, which maintain the regulation of our hair, and hair also keeps our body warm. Next one is skin problems. There are like two types of skin problems we can see most commonly. First one is acne. These are formed when oil glands secrete oil and mix with the dead cells. These are two types of acne. One is blackhead and one is whiteheads. And what is bad odor? During sweating, a liquid is secreted which combines with bacteria and forms a odor smell. It is caused by poor hygiene. Skin care tips. Bath daily using soap. Wear clean clothes. Reduce stress level. Maintain healthy diet. Keep oil away from the skin. Use sunscreen when you are going out of the house, which will definitely take care of your skin. Then moving forward is teeth. Keeps your teeth healthy and which enables you to chew food properly. Give shape and structure to your teeth by having brush daily and maintain your mouth daily. So what are the dental problems most of the person faces? Dental problems are caused by the certain types of bacteria. These can also be caused by food stuck in the teeth, tongue not cleaned, stomach problems, and tooth decay. These are mainly caused by food which left inside your mouth and teeth. So how to avoid dental problems? Brush daily for 2 to 4 minutes one time. Use a soft bristle brush. Use a good toothpaste. Have food that consists of calcium such as milk and maybe yogurt. And then at last, limit intake of sugar, which will definitely help you in dental problems. Moving forward is hands. Hand is a place where you found load of the germs because everything you do with your hands, the germs can come quickly to your hands. So how you can hygiene your hand properly? There are mainly 3 steps. get your hands wet and then apply liquid of soap. In second step, then rub your hands properly in fingers regularly for 15 seconds, and then rinse well and dry your hands. Make hygiene part of your daily life, which will definitely help you to overcome all the illness which can be caused. Hygiene. Nowadays, you can see a disease is being came up in our daily routine, which is called COVID-19. So if you get hygiene properly, we cannot like spread this disease to others and ourselves too. To avoid this, we can have a proper hygiene of our body and surroundings. Health and safety rules and regulations should be maintained at workplace and by government too, which will keep you safe. Surrounding hygiene. We should also take care of our surrounding, like where we are living and where we are working. Everything should be sanitized after using. Like when you are going to a gym, then you should sanitize everything after use, which will help you and others also. Keep everything sanitized through which we will not be affected or harmed. So this topic is important to FTNM program because when we talk about food items and food places, these should be sanitized properly and hygiene should be maintained, because if we should not maintain food hygiene and sanitize, then there will be lot of problems and illness, foodborne illness disease will be formed, and you can definitely will be harmed by that. So in FDNM course, hygiene is must and you should hygiene yourself properly. So these are the references at last. Thank you so much. Have a good day. I hope you all understand your personal hygiene is most important to you and surroundings and all other peoples. Thank you so much. Have a good day.